First, open the FocusSee software. We can see that the product offers 3 recording modes. Next, we set up the device on the right side, such as recording system sound or external microphone sound. Alright, now I'm ready to record the page. I want to use the custom mode. Click on the custom mode and use the mouse to drag and select the area you want to record. Once you've selected the area, click the Rec button. There will be a 3-second countdown to prepare us. After the countdown finishes, the recording will start officially. Okay, on this screen, I want to demonstrate a certain feature of the product, so I'll click on this spot with the mouse. Yes, I also want to highlight this important text, so I'll click on this spot with the mouse as well. That's right. Within a single page, you may have multiple spots you want to zoom in and emphasize in the video. Just click on each of these spots, and FocusSee will automatically magnify them for you. In this case, I'm not using a microphone. But if you need to, you can speak and click at the same time. Okay, if you've finished recording the entire page, click on the red stop button at the bottom of your screen, and we'll proceed to the FocusSee editor page. Let's first preview the video we just recorded. See? The spots where I clicked with the mouse are automatically zoomed in and highlighted, making them very prominent. The text is also clearly displayed for the audience. That's right, each spot is recorded without any omissions. Alright, that's the video we just recorded. I've noticed that I want to shorten the duration of the zoom effect for some spots. Click on the zoom component in the editor track, and drag its edge to freely change its display duration. Then let's have a look at the adjusted effect on the screen. Very well, I'm satisfied. Of course, there might be some spots where I didn't click during the recording, but now I want to add a zoom effect there. Drag the timeline to the desired position where I want to add the zoom effect. Click once, and the zoom effect will be added at that spot. Let's give it a try. Not bad. Great. The video is all set. Now let's check if the canvas size and background are what I want. Here are some commonly used canvas sizes. I'll choose 16:9, which is the size I usually use. Now, let's see below. I want to select a nice background, and this one looks good. Alright, everything seems to be fine. Click on the export button in the top right corner. Let's select the desired quality. If needed, renaming is also possible. Everything is set, no issues. Click on Export. Rendering will take a moment. Export successful. Let's take a look at the final product.